Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning milliliter service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It allows developers and data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at a scale. SageMaker provides a complete set of tools and resources to simplify the end-to-end milliliter workflow, from data preparation and model training to deployment and inference. Here are some key features and components of Amazon SageMaker. 1. Data preparation. SageMaker provides tools for data exploration, transformation, and pre-processing. You can import data from various sources, visualize and analyze it, and apply transformations to prepare it for training. 2. Model training. SageMaker offers a variety of built-in algorithms for common milliliter tasks, such as regression, classification, and clustering. It also supports custom algorithms, allowing you to bring your own models. During training, you can leverage distributed computing resources to scale your training jobs and reduce training time. 3. Model hosting. Once your model is trained, SageMaker allows you to deploy it as a fully managed, highly available endpoint. This makes it easy to integrate your models with applications or other AWS services for real-time predictions or batch inference. 4. Automatic model tuning. SageMaker includes functionality for hyperparameter optimization, which automatically explores different combinations of hyperparameters to find the best performing model. This helps streamline the model tuning process and improve model accuracy. 5. Built-in Jupyter notebooks. SageMaker provides Jupyter notebook instances that come pre-configured with the necessary libraries and SDKs for milliliter development. This allows you to experiment with data, build models, and visualize results in a collaborative and interactive environment. 6. Ground truth. SageMaker Ground Truth is a service for labeling datasets, leveraging human reviewers or machine learning to annotate data for supervised learning tasks. It simplifies the process of creating high-quality training datasets and accelerates the model development cycle. 7. Model monitoring. SageMaker enables you to monitor deployed models for data quality and model drift. It helps you detect and take action when the performance of your models deviates from the expected behavior, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of predictions over time. 8. Integration with AWS services. SageMaker seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, such as Amazon S3 for data storage, AWS Glue for data preparation, AWS Lambda for serverless computing, and AWS Step Functions for workflow orchestration. This allows you to build end-to-end milliliter pipelines and leverage the broader AWS ecosystem. Amazon SageMaker offers several advantages for developers and data scientists. 1. Fully managed service. SageMaker is a fully managed service, which means AWS takes care of the underlying infrastructure and resources required for training and deploying machine learning models. This eliminates the need for manual setup, configuration, and maintenance, allowing users to focus on building and improving their models. 2. Scalability and performance. SageMaker leverages AWS's scalable infrastructure, allowing users to train models on large datasets and leverage distributed computing resources. This enables faster training times and the ability to handle high volumes of data, resulting in improved model performance. 3. Wide range of milliliter tools and frameworks. SageMaker provides a comprehensive set of tools, algorithms, and frameworks to support various machine learning tasks. It includes built-in algorithms for common tasks like regression, classification, and clustering. Additionally, it supports popular milliliter frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and MXNet, giving users flexibility and choice in their model development. 4. Automatic model tuning. SageMaker simplifies the process of hyperparameter optimization through automatic model tuning. It automates the exploration of different hyperparameter combinations to find the best performing model. This helps save time and resources while improving the accuracy and performance of milliliter models. 5. Easy deployment and inference. With SageMaker, deploying trained models as endpoints for real-time predictions or batch inference is straightforward. The deployment process is fully managed and scalable, ensuring high availability and low latency inference. This makes it easy to integrate models into applications or workflows without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. 6. Integrated Development Environment, IDE. SageMaker provides Jupyter Notebook instances as an integrated development environment for milliliter development. These instances come pre-configured with the necessary libraries and SDKs, allowing users to quickly prototype, experiment, and collaborate on their models in a familiar and interactive environment. 7. Model monitoring and management. SageMaker includes features for monitoring model performance, data quality, and model drift. It helps users detect anomalies and take necessary actions to maintain model accuracy and reliability over time. This is especially important for production-grade 1050 systems where ongoing monitoring and management are crucial. 8. Integration with AWS ecosystem. SageMaker seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, such as Amazon S3 for data storage, AWS Glue for data preparation, and AWS Step Functions for workflow orchestration. This allows users to build end-to-end milliliter pipelines using a combination of services, leveraging the broader AWS ecosystem for data management, processing, and deployment. Amazon SageMaker can be applied to a wide range of machine learning use cases across various industries. Here are some common use cases where SageMaker can be leveraged. 1. Predictive analytics. SageMaker can be used to develop predictive models for tasks such as demand forecasting, customer churn prediction, fraud detection, and recommendation systems. By analyzing historical data, SageMaker helps businesses make accurate predictions and informed decisions. 2. Computer vision. With SageMaker, developers can build computer vision models for tasks like object detection, image classification, and facial recognition. This enables applications such as automated quality control in manufacturing, visual search in e-commerce, and surveillance systems. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. SageMaker supports NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis, text classification, language translation, and chatbot development. These capabilities can be used in customer support systems, content analysis, social media sentiment analysis, and automated language translation. 4. Financial services. In the financial industry, SageMaker can be used for fraud detection, credit risk assessment, algorithmic trading, and personalized financial recommendations. It enables financial institutions to make data-driven decisions, identify patterns, and mitigate risks. 5. Healthcare and life sciences. SageMaker has applications in healthcare for medical imaging analysis, disease prediction, patient monitoring, and personalized medicine. It helps healthcare providers extract insights from large medical datasets and improve patient outcomes. 6. Autonomous vehicles. SageMaker can be utilized in developing machine learning models for autonomous driving, including object detection, lane detection, and behavior prediction. It enables the training and deployment of models for perception and decision-making in autonomous vehicles. 7. Energy and utilities. SageMaker can be used in energy and utility companies for predictive maintenance of equipment, energy load forecasting, anomaly detection in power grids, and optimizing energy distribution. These applications help improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and optimize energy consumption. 8. E-commerce and retail. SageMaker can power recommender systems for personalized product recommendations, inventory management, demand forecasting, and pricing optimization. It enables retailers to understand customer preferences, improve sales, and optimize supply chain operations. 9. Manufacturing and industrial automation. SageMaker can be applied to optimize production processes, quality control, predictive maintenance of machinery, and supply chain optimization. By analyzing sensor data and historical records, it helps identify anomalies, predict failures, and improve overall operational efficiency. These are just a few examples of the many use cases where Amazon SageMaker can be employed. Its versatility and scalable infrastructure make it suitable for a wide range of industries and machine learning applications. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.